today's video, I'll show you how to merge cells in Zoho Sheet using the web version. Merging cells is a great way to organize titles, headers, or grouped information, giving your spreadsheet a cleaner and more professional layout. Select the cert by selecting the cells you want to combine. For example, if you want to merge cells from A1 to C1, click and drag across them until they're highlighted. Make sure you've selected every cell you want to merge because this action will apply to all of them. Once your cells are selected, look toward the toolbar at the top of your screen and choose the Merge Cells option. This instantly merges everything you selected into a single, larger cell. If you need a specific type of merge, Zoho Sheet also provides other merge styles, such as merging only across or only down. These options are available inside the same merge menu, giving you flexibility depending on how you want your data arranged. Before merging, remember one important detail. Only the content in the top left cell will remain afterward. Any text or numbers inside the other selected cells will be removed. If there's something you want to keep, copy it somewhere safe first. With that, your cells are now merged, giving your sheet a cleaner structure and helping you present your data more clearly. Don't forget to save your document so your changes stay intact. Thanks for watching and happy merging.